Isang mapagmalayang umaga, hapon, gabi sa ating mga kuya, ate, bunso, saan man panig ng mundo. So ngayon po mga kuya, ate, nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon po at tayo ay nabisita po ng isa po sa mga ikilala po natin na isa sa mga haligi po ng TFOE Yakapi po. So siguro hindi namin kayang ipakilala siya ng kami lang. Siguro mas maganda kasi baka magkulang eh. Baka magkulang o kaya baka ano tayo eh. So ang pinakamaganda po, si Kuya Ramby na po ang magpakilala sa sarili niya kung sino po ba siya at ano ang partisipasyon niya dito po sa ating mahal na organisasyon. Kuya Ramby.
Yun na nga, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kung anong oras niyo mapapanood to. Ako si Kuya Ramby Nolido. Ang buong pangalan ko is Ramon Alberto Binolido. Sa ngayon, ako ay miyembro ng San Francisco Eagles Club dito sa NCR, no? Ako rin ay PNAPLE Secretary. 3 taon na ako PNAPLE Secretary. Ang pinaka-ugnayan ko sa Eagles ay ako yung anak ng isang founder, no? Si Engineer Rizal Alberto Binolido. Natayo ang Eagles noong 1979. Nung panahon na yun, first year high school na ako. So, naalala ko yung mga unang mga panahon, unang mga taon ng Eagles. Nakita ko kung ano yung mga prinsipyo na pinaglalaban nila. Kasi dati, kung hindi nyo alam or hindi nyo naalala, ang pinanggalingan ng mga founders ay yung Quezon City Central Lions Club. From there, naisip nila bakit nila itutuloy yung pagiging miyembro ng isang international organization samantalang dapat at napapanahon na magtayo ng tunay na Philippine social civic organization. So yun, so nakita ko yun and I'm proud, no, to be the son of one of the founders and talaga may pagmamalaki ko kung ano yung prinsipyo at kung bakit tinayo ang Eagles. Isang magandang layunin talaga to nung tinayo siya.
Iyon. Kuya, meron ako isang tanong. Kasi may nakita ko social media natin or nakita ko na isa sa mga post at nakita ko din sa opisina last time na meron kayong pinalagak po dito na isa sa mga documentation, libro na galing po sa mga ating mga founding members na na-publish yung araw. Ano po ba yung nilalaman nun at bakit dito nyo po pinagkatiwala?
Okay. Yung mga libro na yun, matagal lang nasa bahay ng father ko. Okay? And nitong naging active na nga ako sa TFOE, I felt na dapat ibigay ko sa Eagles yung mga libro na yun. Kasi it's all about the first decade of the Philippine Eagles. Ang titulo niya, Decade of Eagleism. So dito pinakita kung paano nabuo, ano yung mga unang pangyayari, yung growth, ano yung mga like for example, the Magna Carta is there. Okay, may feature siya on the different presidents, the first 10 presidents. And dito, importante itong libro na to kasi makikita natin yung birth. Makikita natin kung sino ba talagang Eagles, ano yung mga gustong prinsipyo at objectives ng mga founders. So, naisip ko, hindi dapat siya maiwan sa bahay. Kasi hindi sa amin yon. It's really for the organization. And ang gusto ko mangyari is mabasa to ng bawat miyembro ng Eagles. Kung paano, hindi ko pa alam. Pero maganda kasi malaman mo ano yung roots mo eh. To any person, it's very important to know your roots, who you are, who the organization is, so that you can align yourself, no, to the roots of the organization, and in aligning, we will know what we should do as an organization, who we are, and what we should do.
Kuya, isa pa pong tanong. Nakita nyo mga kuya, ate, wala pong ano to, hindi po namin to tinake ng ilang beses. Ito po ay organic na mga tanong, biglaan po ito. Iwala kala nyo po, ito ay pinractice, hindi po pinractice. So kuya, may tanong ako. May isa lang akong tanong. Meron akong gustong pasabi lang sa inyo. Kung meron po kayong gustong sabihin po sa mga kuya, ate, at gustong i-advise sa mga kuya natin ngayon, ano po ang gusto nyong i-advise or gusto sabihin sa kanilang lahat?
you know, what the Eagles is all about is really very, very good. No? Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, nakita ko yung growth eh. Nakita ko yung hindi growth. Nakita ko yung start. No? At kasi nga, medyo may isip na ako noon, first year high school. So and panganay ako. So na-relate sa akin ng dad ko kung bakit nila tinayo. No? So yung objective ng Eagles is really, really very noble. Ang gusto nila, tunay na Filipino organization. Yung hindi kailangan tumingala sa foreign organization. Kasi ang Eagles ay ginawa ng mga Pilipino para sa mga Pilipino. So kung may tutulungan sila, ang iniisip nila, dapat tulungan yung mga Pilipino. Mag-concentrate, no? Ang pangalawang objective nila is, kailangan ito lumaganap sa buong bansa. Ang problema ng international organizations like Lions or even Rotary, limitado yung reach, no? Samantalang ang Eagles, gaya ng nangyayari ngayon, talagang ang dami ng Eagles clubs, no, throughout the Philippines na dati hindi naabot ng Lions, hindi naabot ng Rotary. At magandang pangyayari to dahil yun talaga yung objectives, no? Yung mga Eagles sa Bicol, di ba? Sa Surigao, okay, sa Cordillera area, nandun may Eagles para tulungan yung mga Pilipino sa mga lugar na yon. Kasi, we do not live for ourselves. The real legacy of each person is that we live for others. Okay? Isa yun sa mga tenets eh. Service nga, di ba? Through strong brotherhood. Yun ang tagline ng Eagles. Patria et Deo, for the country and for God. And therefore, by having all these Eagles clubs in the different corners of the country, really serves the purpose of why it was born. And by being able to help and do community service to these far-flung locations is really the objective of the Fraternal Order of Eagles from the very start. And I would like to see this to be continued and it to grow further, no? Na dumami pa tayo, maabot pa natin yung iba-ibang sulok, because that is what the Fraternal Order of Eagles is really all about.
Very, very well said, Kuya Rambi.
Kinikilabutan naman ako. Kinikilabutan ako. Kuya Lester, meron kong gusto tanong kay Kuya Rambi?
Siguro po, Kuya, no? We are just not curious, pero usually pag nag-i-interview po kami, baka meron po kayong isang most striking core memory sa sa pagiging TFOE member, ang inyong kwentong yakap.
Yan.
Okay.
So any story, any memorable situation, funny bloopers, or anything under the sun, Kuya Rambi?
Okay. I'll have to distinguish, no? Kasi yung start, there was no yakap or anything. But I realized that we have to distinguish ourselves because of what has happened. And I'm very proud of the organization of yakap because this is really what's connected to the origin. Klaro-klaro yan, no? We have the history, we have the sequence, okay? The past national presidents are there, no? Nasa organization natin. And it's this history that we want to keep and move from. Kasi nga, hawak natin yung connection ng founders eh, yung objectives, no? May sequence. Kumbaga sa Biblia, nakita natin yung sequence of, from Abraham to
Genesis,
Jesus,
yeah.
di ba? And all the Bible stories are there to show that sequence, and we have that. And that's why, connected to that, I wanted to share the book, Decade of Eagleism, because we have the Genesis story, of the Fraternal Order of Eagles. Now, if you're talking about yakap per se, okay, siguro alam nyo to, okay, baka napagkwentuhan, no? Bringing the Fraternal Order of Eagles forward, no? ang lumabas. And by the end of the session, every president of every club there, the district governor, the regional governor, expressed, okay, their support, their total support for the Fraternal Order of Eagles, yakap. Okay? And it was very heartwarming. Because, going there, we didn't know if we will be well received, if there will be questions, if if in spite of going there, they will have doubts as to our sincerity. But it came out that no, they're really with us, okay? And the nice thing about it is that to show that they're really with us, they committed that the National Assembly this coming November will be done in Batangas. So it really shows that there is this commitment towards each other, and we have maintained, the strong brotherhood necessary for us to be who we are.
That is a very promising glimpse of what will be our
Actually,
future.
overwhelmed na ako.
Oo nga.
Actually, parang na-starstruck na ako bigla. Kanina, hindi pa ako na-starstruck. Pero right after nang magsalita na si Kuya Rambi, parang yung eye-opener para sa ating lahat, na
Yes.
from the roots hanggang sa ngayon, nakasama natin si Kuya Rambi, na anak ng isa sa mga founding members natin. It is an honor for us, Kuya Rambi.
Goosebumps, Kuya.
Oo,
Ayun,
Kuya, lalo na
goosebumps
kanina
talaga.
nung kinukwento mo,
Matayo yung
simula
balahibo
po,
ko.
ng high school ka pa nag-start po ito. Kuya, kung meron ka pa bang gustong sabihin for the last time sa lahat, kahit sandali lang po. Alam namin, kinuubusan namin ng napaka-valuable mo pong oras.
Okay.
Go ahead.
To all of you who are part of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Yakap, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for being part of this organization. Thank you for your dedication being part of this organization. We still have a lot to do. There's still so much things we can do for the country and for our fellow Filipinos. Okay? It would be great if you could expand. It would be great if you could bring your friends in. Be part of your clubs, create new clubs. Because, as I've said earlier, we want to reach the farthest corners of the Philippines. We want to continue doing community service because our love for the country, our love for God is so immense that we want to give and we want to share whatever we have. So thank you for being part of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Yakap. I look forward to everything that you will do for our country. And I cannot say enough, of my admiration for each and every one of you who are part of Yakap, who are part of the Fraternal Order of Eagles. You are all heroes. By doing what you do on a yearly basis, you are all heroes. Don't forget that. And thank you very much.
With that, maraming salamat, Kuya Rambi, sa oportunidad po at karangalan pong binigay nyo sa amin at nakausap namin
Such
kayo.
an honor,
Na
Kuya
kung
Rambi.
alam nyo lang po kung gaano kami nag-goosebumps ni Kuya Lester po. Kuya, ulitin po namin, maraming salamat po. Ayan po.
Maraming po salamat,
Thank
Kuya.
you.
Apo.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes.
This is so extemporaneous.
Space Temporary News. Pass.
Dito, sa Yakap ng Agila Media.